Low open rates, low click-through rates, and high unsubscribe rates. Although there could be many reasons for these issues, there's a chance that it might be from this one thing: organization. Email marketing requires a lot of attention to detail, and staying organized with so many moving parts can be tricky. That's why in this video, I'm going to share 3 tips to help you stay on top of everything, and I'm also going to show you guys a really neat tool that will keep you organized and help increase your email marketing metrics. The first tip is to optimize your emails for mobile. If you're still designing your emails for desktop only, there's a good chance that you're losing engagements. You may be seeing low click-through rates, but before you do things like removing unresponsive contacts from your email list, try optimizing your emails for mobile first, and this will make a huge difference. The second tip is to separate contacts based on their preferences. Not everyone wants to or needs to see every single email from you. For example, you can have an email list of the people that only need to know about products or discounts, and then you can create a different list for people that need to know about company or product updates, and so on. This will not only ensure that you're sending targeted and personalized emails to the right people, but this can also have a positive effect on your unsubscribe rate. The third tip is to engage your new email subscribers. Sometimes the best leads come soon after they've signed up for your newsletter. Make sure to inform them right away of things like how they can be the first to hear about new products, sales, or company updates. You want to make sure that you're also moving them closer to your sales funnel. You can do this by linking your blog, a product page, or any sales page in your welcome email. If you've never used an email marketing template before, let me introduce you to an amazing tool that will help you get organized. Our email marketers at HubSpot created an awesome template for other email marketers out there, and it's completely free. So if you want to download it and follow along, the link is in the description box down below. There's 2 things that all good email marketers do. Number 1 is plan, and number 2 is track. The template I'm about to show you guys will help you think through every little detail before you press that irreversible send button. Once you download the template, you'll see that it's divided into 3 sections: email planning in green, email results tracking in yellow, and A/B test planning and results in red. Starting with email planning, this is where you record the email send date. So what day do you want this email to land in someone's inbox? The email topic. What is this email all about? Are you sending out your new ebook, a monthly newsletter, etc.? The owner, so who on your team will be crafting this email? The status, so you'll know whether an email is in progress, scheduled, or sent. The subject line, it's so important to figure out the best subject line that will entice people to open your email. The email draft link, here you can copy and paste the draft link so that your team can view the email before it goes live. The send list, so this is where you plug in the name of your email list. And lastly, under the email planning section is the suppression list. These are going to be the names of the lists you don't want to send this email to. So you sent the email out, and now it's time to record your results and see how your email did. That info will go under the email results tracking section. First, you'll enter in how many email addresses you sent your email to under total emails sent. Next, under total emails delivered, you'll plug in how many successfully landed in an inbox. Of the email addresses you sent your email to, how many were opened? Next, how many individuals clicked on a link from your email? Once you plug in your numbers into all of these sections, you'll see that under deliverability, it automatically calculates the percentage of the total emails delivered and the total emails sent. Next to that, under open rate, it automatically calculates the percentage of the total number of emails opened and the total number of emails delivered. So for example, an open rate of 20% would mean that out of every 10 emails delivered, 2 were actually opened. Under click-through rate, it automatically calculates the percent of people who clicked a link in your email out of the total number of emails opened. And then lastly, you can enter in the number of leads generated from email recipients that filled out the form on your landing page. Now, there's so many different ways you can do A/B tests with your emails. You can test subject lines, images, link placements, etc. So under the red A/B test planning and results section, you can enter in what you're testing and what your results are to see what performed the best. The best part about this template is that you can customize it to fit your personal needs or you can use it to track your company's needs and goals. Feel free to hide columns, add new columns, rename it, and duplicate it to use for every new month. Since this template helps you think through all the minor details, you're going to have such an easy time planning and organizing your emails and campaigns. And if you want even more free help with email marketing, make sure to check out the link in the description box to HubSpot Academy's email marketing course. With the template and the course, your emails are sure to perform a whole lot better. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Our software is the worst.
Have you heard of HubSpot?
See, most CRMs are a cobbled together mess, but HubSpot is easy to adopt and actually looks gorgeous.
I think I love our new CRM.
Our software is the best.
HubSpot. Grow better.